Okay, hi guys. Right, in this short video, we're just going to go and look at how electron transport change can be modelled to students. Right, modelling things is a great way to really get students involved and engaged in a particular large concept because it enables them to go and see what's actually going on. One key thing with this model is it does take a little bit of time to go and get all the bits and such forth made ready to use. So don't leave it to the last minute. But once they're all made, a lot of the parts are interchangeable with other models that involve cell membranes, so you can go and use them again. Right, here's a quick video just to show you what's going on, and I'll come back to you in a minute.
Hello and welcome to this A-level revision video on the electron transport chain. The first stage in the electron transport chain is that reduced NAD from the Krebs cycle donates 2 electrons into complex 1. The 2 electrons enter complex 1 and provide the energy for 4 hydrogen ions to move across it. These 2 electrons are then accepted by electron acceptor Q and move down the electron gradient. In complex 2, 2 electrons from FADH2 from the Krebs cycle are donated and move into complex 3. In complex 3, this provides the energy for 4 more hydrogen ions to be moved into the inner membrane space of the mitochondrial cyste. The electrons are accepted by electron acceptor C that carry the 2 electrons to complex 4, which moves 2 hydrogen ions into the inner membrane space. These 2 hydrogen ions are picked up by half an O2 to form H2O. This gives an overall net gain of 10 hydrogen ions when NAD is used and 6 hydrogen ions when just FADH2 is used. This net gain of hydrogen ions increases the hydrogen concentration in the inner membrane space. The hydrogen ions then move down an electrochemical gradient through ATP synthase to catalyse the production of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate.
Right, hopefully that all made some sort of sense. So just some other things to think about when we go and we model activities. Remember that because you can gather all the students around the model, make sure that you're asking lots of questions to them and getting them to really engage at each stage and help explain what is happening at each stage. After you've finished, you can go and get them to put their own models together, or you can go and give them their own particular diagrams, which they can go and annotate and explain back to each other. Right. Hopefully that has all made sense and it's been useful. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them below and I will attempt to get back to you. Right, thanks guys.